Well, hello my little beauties, it's David Connolly here, the web developer extraordinaire. And it's just to let you know that the documentation for Trongate CSS is now complete. Well, just about complete. Now, I haven't checked this on a mobile device yet, and I have a feeling it's going to look terrible, okay? So please don't look at it on mobile devices, at least not yet. But the main thing is the content, and the content is now solid, and I'm really happy with this. The funny thing is, if I had asked any of you who are familiar with Trongate to tell me what Trongate CSS is or describe it, you would probably all say it's a lightweight CSS library or something like that. And that's what I would have said. But look at all of the content. It's actually pretty far from lightweight. It has a whole bunch of stuff in it. And I'll tell you what, there's stuff here that I even never realised it had. And I'm the guy who wrote the thing, you know. But it's amazing how you can just write so much stuff over the course of 4 or 5 years without even documenting it. And, well, thankfully, now it has been documented. It's all here. And I do hope that you find this useful. I'm sure that you'll find a few things here that you never knew about, even if you're familiar. I'm just skimming through the pages here. Like, did you know about this stuff? How you can access CSS variables and have a sort of transparent background on table rows. I wonder if you knew about that stuff. Or let's see what else we've got here. Did you know about, you probably knew about all the modals and stuff, but did you know about modal footers? I wrote this stuff about a year ago and I've never even used it. I never even knew it was there. But it's there and it's pretty cool. Did you know that you can have close icons like these little crosses if I click? I wonder if you knew about that stuff, you know? There's a whole bunch of stuff on Trongate CSS that nobody... I mean, look at all of this stuff here. We've got animations and everything. Did you know that you could change the colours of the spinners? Did you know that you could change the size or even the speed? There's so much here with this framework that it's quite ridiculous. And the funny thing is, I could have gone on and added even more. I've still not added documentation for the date pickers, the time pickers, the date range pickers, and all of that stuff. Maybe that'll be another book, you know? So each one of these is basically a book, a sort of ebook covering a different aspect of the framework. Let me tell you folks, writing a framework is easy. Getting people to use the framework is kind of difficult. Writing documentation is horrendously difficult. So I'm so glad that this is done. Anyway, now you know, that's Trongate CSS up and running. And please do check out the Trongate MX documentation if you can. I'm really pleased with this. The documentation for the Trongate PHP framework is garbage. This needs redone, but we're in pretty good shape. And if I can, I'll continue to move forward with this great money-losing exercise, which is the Trongate framework. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.